Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ani here from the learning class. Today's video is on how to use ChatGPT via Bing. Bing, as you all know, is the search engine by Microsoft. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we start, do consider subscribing, liking, do all the good stuff. We are a kind of a new channel, so just helps the channel out. Okay, so now if you've been living under a rock and you haven't heard about ChatGPT, let me just quickly show you what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the new AI. Everybody knows about it, and all you got to do is just type in ChatGPT in your search, and then it will open up a box like this, right? This is great, awesome, but you have to remember the free version of ChatGPT is ChatGPT 3.5. If you go to ChatGPT 4, this is a paid version for which you have to pay $20 a month to access ChatGPT 4. But you don't have to do that if you use Bing, okay? Because Bing uses ChatGPT 4. So there are a few ways of accessing Bing. So let's have a look at that. So I'm just going to close my ChatGPT box here. Open it. Just go to your Windows Edge browser, and then by default you will see there is an icon here. This is the Bing chat icon. So if you click that, it's going to open up a nice little box here. And then you can start typing your questions. Whatever you want to ask, you can just ask, tell me the latest laptop in 2023. Okay. The great thing about the GPT is even if you make a spelling mistake, a grammatical mistake, does not matter. Don't go and try to change it. It's fine. It's an AI. It will understand. So just click this, and then it's obviously now thinking, and then it's going to give me the answers. So searching for the latest laptop 2023, and there you go. Awesome. Okay, it's already given me the answers. So this is one way of accessing Bing. The next way of accessing Bing is, if you do not want this little box experience and you want a whole window experience, just click on your Edge browser, which is this one, okay, and then go to your search box and just type in Bing, okay, and click enter. I'm going to close this box. So now you see it gives me this option. Let's click on Bing New, and it gives me a nice full view experience here. Okay, it says chat now, introducing the new Bing, ask real questions. I'm just going to click on chat now, and it's going to take me to this box. Very important, on the top you will see two options. It gives the traditional search option, yeah, which is what we guys have been using for so many years, and then it gives the chat option. By default it is going to open the chat option. Go here and then type the same thing. Okay, I'm going to ask a new question. I'm going to make some spelling error by mistake, so let's see if it's kind of understands. Latest video games in the market, Sony and Xbox. Okay, as you can see, my spellings are all messed up. Let's see if it understands. Okay, so you see I've written latest video games in the market, Sony and Xbox, but let's see if it understands. So there you go, it's already understood. Latest video game in the market, Sony and Xbox, and now it has given me a whole lot of options here. The latest video game in the market for Sony, PlayStation, and Xbox as follows, and it's even giving me a link. You can click on the link And then of course you can start asking more questions. So give me, again, I'm going to make some spelling mistakes. Give me more option, please. Sure, here are more upcoming video games. So you can see, even if you type fast, make some spelling errors, make some grammatical mistakes, don't worry about it. Bing has got you covered. Okay, so I personally feel that Bing is far more better than ChatGPT, because Bing is using ChatGPT 4, which is a paid experience. And if you don't want to spend $20 a month, stop using ChatGPT 4. If stop using ChatGPT, the original one, and use Bing, because it is using the ChatGPT 4 API. Okay, so I hope this helps you out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please do consider subscribing, liking, and see you in the next video. Bye now.